एंड वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन। इस हफ्ते हमने अपनी 36वीं किताब पूरी कर ली है। वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर 36th बुक ऑफ द 52 वीक्स 52 बुक्स चैलेंज एंड द बुक दैट I've really loved and enjoyed reading this week is The Mountain Is You by Brianna Wiest। अब अगर एक वाक्य में मुझे इस किताब का वर्णन करना हो तो मैं कहूंगा that this book is food for soul. Yes, you heard that right. It's a book that shows you a very clear roadmap to overcome your anger, pain, guilt, regret, fear, or any negative emotion precisely of your past that's holding you back from giving your best or living the life that you've always dreamt of. Most importantly, it's a book that shows you a very practical way to overcome all your pain, all your trauma, not just of your mind but of your body as well. It'll show you how any emotional trauma manifests itself as physical pain or discomfort in our body, and how we can overcome it using some really simple yet effective techniques. So, objectively speaking, if you want to be free from any emotional trauma that's holding you back, stopping you from giving your best at work or maybe in any relationship, or if you want to master your thoughts, behavior, and emotions, or maybe you want to help someone else do that, then you must read this book without fail. So, just in case if you wish to buy this book, I have pasted a link in the description given below. You simply need to click on the link and buy this book from Amazon. Now, if you are ready, let's quickly move on to our learnings from the book. Now, these are few points that really caught my attention, starting with this. अगर कोई चीज़ आपको एक दो बारी परेशान करती है तो संभवतः उस चीज़ पर ध्यान देना, उस पर काम करना ज़रूरी है। लेकिन अगर कोई चीज़ आपको बार बार परेशान करती है, कोई एक चीज़ आपको लगातार परेशान करती है, तो इसका मतलब है कि आपको अपने आप पर काम करना ज़रूरी है। इट्स टाइम दैट यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर सेल्फ। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ अ थॉट or some fear is troubling you again and again, or say if some person's behavior is troubling you again and again, then it's time you stop blaming people and situations around you for how you are feeling and start working on yourself. Also, if you really want to overcome any past trauma, or say for that matter heal yourself or become the best version of yourself, the first step towards achieving this is to stop saying, thinking and believing उसने ऐसा बोला इसलिए मैंने ऐसा सोचा, उसने ऐसा बोला इसलिए मैंने ऐसा बोला, उसने ऐसा किया इसलिए मैंने ऐसा किया. Stop this उसने ऐसा बोला इसलिए मैंने ऐसा किया business. Stop blaming people and situations to justify why you are what you are or why you did what you did, and take 100% responsibility, 100% accountability of your thoughts, emotions and behavior. Let me tell you that whatever life you have thought for yourself, every single thing that you've ever dreamt of is 100% possible. Just that it comes with a cost. And the cost is आपको अपना comfort छोड़ना पड़ेगा. आपको शायद कुछ लोगों को छोड़ना पड़ेगा. Most importantly, in the process of achieving your dream, your goal, you will have to accept the fact that a lot of people will not understand you. They may not even like you, or for that matter, like what you are doing. पर अगर सक्सेसफुल होना है तो ये कीमत आपको चुकानी होगी, और अगर नहीं चुका सकते तो एटलीस्ट स्टॉप क्राइंग एंड कंप्लेनिंग फॉर अ बेटर लाइफ. यू ऑलवेज get what you deserve and not what you want. Moving forward, the book speaks in detail on how to overcome negative emotions, be it anger, sadness, guilt, jealousy, fear, or resentment. It tells us that there's a huge difference between suppressing emotions and controlling emotions, and that negative emotions must never be suppressed. And the best way to overcome any negative emotion is to pause and acknowledge the emotion, feel it, experience it, and then instead of holding on to it, let it pass. This is the first step towards building emotional intelligence. Next, the book will show you how you can overcome any fear. अक्सर जिन बातों से हमें डर लगता है, they are nothing but a figment of our imagination. उनका हकीकत में कोई अस्तित्व नहीं होता. They simply exist in our minds. तो अगर आपको भी किसी बात का डर बहुत परेशान कर रहा है, कई दिनों से, कई हफ्तों से, महीनों से या सालों से परेशान कर रहा है, और अगर आप अपने उस डर से मुक्त होना चाहते हैं, छुटकारा पाना चाहते हैं, तो you must read this book without fail. Next, it speaks about how our faulty influences and beliefs stop us from living our lives to the fullest. ऐसा हुआ इसलिए वैसा हो गया, बिल्ली रास्ता काट गई इसलिए काम बिगड़ गया, काले कपड़े पहन लिए इसलिए काम नहीं हुआ, एंड ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ सच rubbish beliefs stop us from living a happy, peaceful and a stress-free life. And now here comes my most favorite part of this book, where it speaks about trauma and how emotional trauma manifests itself into physical pain and discomfort. And not just this, it speaks in detail on how you can overcome any emotional trauma and the pain associated with it using very simple yet effective techniques. Also, here is a list of questions that you may want to ask yourself to identify whether you engage in self sabotaging behavior. And finally, here comes the golden statement, the most important takeaway from this entire book, and that is mental health and self mastery is the ability to see, feel, and to experience a thought or an emotion without responding to it. थोड़ा deep है, शायद समझने में समय लगे, but you will eventually get it. Now, those were just few of the many amazing learnings that this book has to offer. और जैसा मैंने आपको बताया, if you really want to get free from any emotional trauma that's stopping you from giving your best, या अगर आप अपने thoughts पर, behavior पर, emotions पर mastery हासिल करना चाहते हैं, then you must read this book without fail. और हाँ, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos.